Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will discuss how to gain followers on TikTok. So if you want to gain followers on TikTok, the first step is to consistently create high quality content. So you should choose a specific theme or niche. It could be travel, fashion, education, daily routines, food, fashion, whatever. I have just mentioned fashion twice, okay. And if you will choose a specific topic of your content, your audience will know what to expect from you and basically from your videos. Videos that are focused and relevant tend to perform better. Also, it's very important to post regularly, so aim to upload content at least a few times a week to keep your audience engaged and increase your chances of being discovered by new viewers. Your videos should be short, from 15 to 30 seconds. Also, they should be engaging, and also they should start with a strong hook in the first few seconds. Usually it's first 2-3 seconds of your video. Also use trending audio to your video, and use relevant hashtags that can help your content reach a wider audience through TikTok's algorithm. Also, make sure that your profile is complete and visually appealing. So you should use a profile picture, a clear profile picture, write a short, informative bio, and consider pinning your best videos to the top of your page. And finally, interact with your audience by replying to comments that your followers write you, and engage with other creators. Because the more active you are, the more likely you are to build a loyal following. So that were the main tips to get followers on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.